Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as promised, I have one more unboxing to do, and this is really exciting. I've wanted this bag for probably like 3 or 4 or so months, ever since it came out. And I was able to get it on the lowest price it has gone. I think this bag was at $109, and if you can get it at this price, that's like the best you could get. So I got from I Love Dooney, which is where I bought this item. And just letting you guys know ahead of time, even though it's a little bit backlit, I'm gonna move the camera to a better angle. Once I get the bag out of the box and kind of get some of the stuffing out, then you can see it more clearly. So just letting you know. But yeah, let's get on into it. But yeah, I saw this price and I'm like, I can do this. And plus it's something that is easy to carry. So it's not like I bought some huge bags. I generally don't carry larger bags. I like more slim bags. I saw Ivana's video and she described it as slim. I'm like, yep, I have the same bag but in a different print. So I already know that this silhouette works perfect for me and like my body type and stuff. Okay, so I got 2 items, so you'll see. Here is the first one. So this is the Dooney & Bourke Hydrangea shopper. And this is the regular one. It's not the large, so it's a smaller one. I was kind of interested in the larger one, but for what I carry, this would be good. This is quantity 18 to 25. And I do plan on keeping it, so I'm just going to rip into it. So that's totally fine. Okay. I've always wanted this bag, you guys. Alright, give me just a second here while I get this off. Yeah, it's good to be back on YouTube, so I missed it. Oh, so cool. Alright, so here she is. I think what I'm going to do is take off the plastic. Here's what I noticed is different, guys. Look, it's this clear plastic as opposed to the regular foam on the straps. That's kind of weird. So it could have been a return. I'm guessing it probably was a return because of that. But also number 2, I noticed that the stuffing inside is not the usual stuffing that Dooney & Bourke puts in bags. So you'll see what I mean in just a second. She looks okay to me to keep though. But I will show you, so that way. Okay. At least it looks okay. Alright, come off of it, come off of it. There we go. Okay, so let me show you what I mean, you guys. Let me get the camera. Okay. So here she is, very cute. So when you open it up, here's what I mean. So you have this just generic kind of gray colored stuffing. It's not the Dooney & Bourke regular stuffing. So the only thing I noticed so far on the bag is, see the little kind of marks when this bag was put on whatever rack it was when they dyed it. Then you do see it here. This is kind of bad. There's like a little, you can see another little slight mark here and here, kind of like it was on an oven rack when they made it, is my theory. The back straps are great. And then the other thing I noticed is there's just like little kind of, there's a divot there. That's okay. But yeah, there's what she looks like in the light. This is not a deal breaker, but I can condition this. Kind of hard to see it on camera, but well, let's see. Let me put the camera down. I have to put it down so I can take out the stuffing. Well, let's see. Better be good. It smells fine to me. Okay. Smells fine. Yeah, it's definitely a return. Yeah, definitely, because you don't, when I opened up the zip pocket, so it's a back zip and slip, the sticker is not on there. So it just comes with this. Well, that's a bummer, but although you guys, looks like it's in okay shape. But here she is. Yeah, it's just kind of like there's a divot here, divot there. Okay. Bottom looks great. So it looks like they didn't carry it, if not that long. But yeah, so there's the first part. I think I'll keep her. She's not in terrible shape. Other than, sorry about that little strap, kind of wonky there. But I can condition it. It's okay. I don't want to hassle with this particular return. But yeah, let me get the next thing out of the box. So, here she is. The only thing I noticed is that this wristlet did not come in a box. Did you guys get yours in a box? If you ordered it, let me know. So cute. Oh wow, here she is. Okay, take off the stuffing for you. Okay, so I ordered the medium wristlet in the Hydrangea in the color cream. So this is all in cream. And what I like about this, all of the videos I've seen on YouTube of this wristlet, I have not seen this particular print. Like usually it has this and then maybe like a little bit same size petals here. But this is a little different. It's got a little different kind of bush going on there. And the back is actually all pink as opposed to having some blue in there. And I'm okay with that. So that is so cute. Use that for a thumbnail. Yeah, this is exciting. So you open it up and there's no pocket. It's just the same kind of canvas material as the interior of this bag. But yeah, I think this will be okay. Yeah, it almost looks like it got bent a little bit, but it's not in a bad shape to where it's like breaking. But yeah, isn't she cute? I'm so glad I got to have it. And oh yeah, the side of it has leather trim in a biscuit color, and there's the wristlet. I thought the wristlet came with a keychain thing, but I'm pretty sure it's in there. But here she is. I like how it's so unique compared to all the others I've seen on YouTube, as in the print, because they say that every bag and wristlet and things in this collection are all in a different variation. So you're might get a pink one here, blue one there. Oops, sorry about the backlit, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm glad that I could show you this on YouTube. It is more of a smaller bag, so if you don't carry a ton of stuff, it's gonna be great for you. And yeah, the wristlet holds a bunch. So let me know what you guys think. Hope you're having a wonderful summer day. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.